Well, some of you have seen in a past video that I had this old T-Bevel gauge that I had purchased in a box of old tools, and it's in pretty bad shape. Sometimes you need a really large bevel gauge as opposed to, I have this small 4-inch one that I made, which I primarily use, but I also have one here that is, well, I don't really know how long it is, but you can see that it's not as long as this other one. So anyway, I thought today I would see if I can give this old girl a makeover. Well, after grinding on this for a while, I've decided that it's really beyond really getting it to a nice finish. There's quite a bit of pitting that's still, pretty deep pitting from the rust in there, and it doesn't show on the camera very well. It wobbles this direction too. So it's a fairly thin material, so I'm afraid if I grind it down very much that it just really won't have any integrity left. So what I've decided to do is to replace the blade with some new steel. So I checked my supplier, which I generally buy my tool steel from McMaster-Carr. However, a piece of steel this thickness and this long was like $12 or something like that, which isn't terrible. But what I did discover is I found this cheap saw at a local home center, and it's the same thickness of steel, and I easily can get a blade out of this. The other thing of it is that I got it on sale and it was only $7. So I'm going to turn this saw into the blade, and I'll actually have a little extra material for something else. I don't know if that hole will be the right size. It looks like it's a little bigger than the one that I have in there. It's quite a bit bigger, so I need to go from the other direction maybe. Looks like I'm going to have to go out of the center here somehow. So now that I've got the outside shape of the steel bar made, I now need to find the center to make the slot. So I found that the steel was extremely hard, so instead of doing it on my drill press where I can't control the RPMs quite as much, I'm using my hand drill and putting a pilot hole in, going really, really slow. One of the best ways to drill thin metal is with one of these step bits because the twist drills are chamfered, and where this has a straight side and it cuts through there much cleaner. Well, now that we've got our blade all made, we can turn our attention to the wood. That blade really is a big improvement. Well, that was a super fun project. Really happy with the way it came out. It's a pretty elegant looking tool now. The lever works really nice. I like how it gets away from the outside so that it's easy to measure. And I think putting a new blade in it was the right call. Well, thanks for watching, And remember, if you're going to make it beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.